our tabletop kitchen scale. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 6 inches, a depth of 8.5 inches, and a height of 2 inches. Measurements for the top scale itself will include 6 inches in length by 6 inches in depth. Included will be a set of batteries, and the scale can weigh products in grams, pounds, ounces, and kilograms. With the touchpad features here, the settings can be changed. Coming to the side will be an indicator that will measure your food and indicate in ounces, grams, kilograms, or pounds. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.